The carpet spot cleaner. It's a non-soapy, non-foamy carpet spot cleaner designed specifically for pet owners. The reason we've designed this way so there's no soapy residue, no foamy solution in it, so it doesn't leave a soapy residue which causes all the black, brown spots you find typically in your carpet from your Resolve, your Spot Shot, your Wool Likes, your OxyCleans. There's no label in this bottle because we're going to do what we call a shake test, which is basically if you see or hear of a spot cleaner that you want to try out or look into, do what we call the shake test. So basically is you shake it up and then you look here for your soapy residue. You'll notice you got some bubbles in there from shaking it, but it doesn't foam or suds up like you'll find with all the other cleaners. Like I said, we do call a shake test. Shake it up. If you see it, feel it, or hear it foam up, it's going to leave a residue. It's going to attract dirt and cause discolorations, those kind of problems. All right, there's two things I want to show you here. Number one, our spot cleaner. When you shake it up, it doesn't suds or foam up. That's the most important thing about the spot cleaner. So there's no soapy residue. Second thing I want to show you is how well it works. Nothing's been done to this spot that I'm aware of. I've just arrived on this job here, and if you have pets, then this is a fairly common appearance, are accidents or pee spots. So all I'm going to do is just hit them with the spot cleaner, and as you can see, the spot cleaner just neutralizes the spot and it goes away. Now, obviously, a lot of spot cleaners might work this well, but they are typically soapy or foamy, so you're going to be stuck with a sticky residue, so it will turn black or brown. And like I said, our product is manufactured specifically for pet owners. I'm not going to do all these little spots over here because I've got a big 4-gallon backpack spray I'm going to use for this here, because this will take all day if I use little 32-ounce trigger sprayer. But I just wanted you to see the spot we did here real quick. I will blot it with a microfiber towel, which is the best thing to use. It's very absorbent. And now you just have a damp spot from the spot cleaner and no more pee. So that's how well our product works. We do sell our product. It is available for sale. So if you're interested, give us a call or shoot us an email, 404-500-9853. It's also available for purchase online.